Sour cream pound cake, a southerner's dream. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees, and I'm going to take 1.5 cups of butter that's been softened, and 3 cups of sugar. And we're going to cream this. While that's creaming, I'm going to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And there's a difference between sifting 3 cups of flour and 3 cups of flour sifted. If you wanted 3 cups of sifted flour, you would sift it and then measure. Alright. Now we want to add 6 beaten eggs, large eggs, and 1 cup of sour cream. Let that mix and combine really well. And now I just want to gradually add in my flour mixture. Might want to cut that down. I'm just going to gradually add that in. And we want to beat it till it's light and fluffy. About 2 minutes. Give it a good scrape down on the sides here and on the bottom, and then I'm going to let it finish getting light and fluffy. All right. Got a 10-inch tube pan that I sprayed with Baker's Joy. Move this out of the way. And I just want to give this a good stir first and then spoon it around my cake pan. In the South here, it's nothing better than a good pound cake. It's great plain, it's good with a cup of coffee, it's good with ice cream, fresh fruit, it's just whipped cream. It's just good for so many things. And sometimes I like pound cake because I don't always want that really sweet icing. Smooth this out, and it says to bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes although I will probably check mine sooner. I'll see you then. And here it is. This really turned out very good, very moist. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.